Alright, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. So today's video, as you see, it's not starting out at a gas station, but I got you a gas station across the street, so we're still winning, I think. I hope. So, where am I going today? I know last video I said that I was going to be doing a long ride today. Again, I got backed up doing stuff, and I'm strapped kind of for time and daylight, so I'm not going to where I was saying I was going. But that'll be for next video. I do have a 4-day weekend coming up because it is Thanksgiving. By the time you're watching this video, it's probably already Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving to everyone. So this video may be a little bit shorter than normal. I just wanted to get out on a bike, try to get some sort of video. There is a area that I've gone to in the past, and there is a funny story about, well, not really a funny story, but there is a story behind it. I just decided to kind of just go to this area real quick. Wow, my exhaust tips are really black. Anyway, without further ado, I'm gonna get right into it. I'm already kind of in the area. I just gotta hop on a highway real quick. It's like 2 or 3 exits down the road. Wait a second. I kind of forgot where I was supposed to get off at. God, I'm probably gonna have to pull over already. Just got onto the highway. I'm already lost. Now we're on the right road, sort of. But where I'm going is, it's called Mount Diablo. I'm sure I'm sure some of you have been there before. Area that I've kind of been wanting to go to just real quick. But I don't know. I've been there before. I've been there like a while ago, and it is a pretty nice ride. I do know there's a lot of twists, a lot of turns. I also know that there's a lot of those pesky bicyclists on the road. Sorry, tow truck. I'm jumping in front of you. Ooh, it's gonna hurt. Ah! These roads are terrible. It's nothing but bumps. Oh. This. Maybe I came up the wrong way. Maybe this is the right way. I don't know. I don't remember. You guys already know I'm terrible at remembering anything. Remember last time coming up here, we did not hit any, like, there was no cars in front of us, there was no cars behind us. When I ride, cars everywhere. Well, I bring to you guys another slow video because I I cannot win. Of course, bicycles, man. God, out of the way. You too. You get out of the way too. Feet are down. Mind you, feet are down. Oh my God. Guys, I'm really sorry. Oh, we gotta f***ing pay? What the hell? You gotta be kidding me, man. Wow, what a shitty video this is gonna be if I can't get in. So do you guys do special discounts for motorcycles? Bicycles can come in for free?
Nope.
Oh.
Oh, cyclists, yeah. But
Why did they get... Man. Alright. What's up? Yeah. That's so stupid. Yo, this state is so man. Oh my God, man. That's so dumb. I don't get why bicyclists have so much power, man. This will be the last time I ever come to Mount Diablo, people. Yo, I'm like legit pissed. Like that's so stupid. It still boggles my mind how bicyclists, they get everything for riding a bicycle, man. Out of the way, jerks. I almost went over the cliff right here, believe it or not. So what happened was, came around a turn, and I wasn't aware that there was sand. And when I hit the sand, ooh, little slippy slip right there. That was kind of, what was I saying? Oh, so when I hit the sand, the bike slipped, and I just picked the bike up, went kind of straight and stopped in kind of like the dirt. And I'll put the clip of it right here.
The globe slowly proceeds to...
So as you just saw, I kind of slipped and I got tunnel vision when I slipped because I was too busy like trying to stop the bike from sliding out underneath me. The funny thing is, that same day, I actually low-sided this bike. Oh my God, people, I can't ride at 1100 RPMs. Never again. Oh my God, I missed second. Hit it. Son of a bitch. So now we just have to kind of cruise in neutral. Oh God, what a shit show today is, man. Nothing's f***ing going right. Alright, we're gonna try to bank first. There it is. There's second. Jerks. Man, my entire video has been ruined. This sucks. Well, I guess we'll figure out somewhere else to go. Stop. I don't know why I stopped. I have no idea. Wow. You know what, guys? I think we're gonna have to chalk today up as a loss because I can't shift properly. I've done it twice so far. Just now when I did that pull, I went to shift and I didn't actually hit the gear. It just, I'm an absolute mess today. Oh man, this video is gonna suck. go ahead and end this video. If you guys made it this far, thank you so much. You guys are the real MVPs. If this is your first time to the channel, go take a look at my other videos. Don't base my channel off of this one. If you like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, swing over to my Instagram. Show me some love. Show me some support there. If you guys know of any areas I should check out in Norcal area, please let me know. I'd love to go just explore. That's what I tend to do on my weekends. But with that said, I need all of y'all to stay hungry, stay humble, stay motivated, all of your life's goals. Always remember, nothing good in life ever comes easy. Your boy Machine here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Later. What is going on over here?